got us some tornado warnings today. It's mid-80s and so muggy, you're about to die, man. And I expect any minute now the temperature is going to fall right out the bottom. Maybe we'll get us some tomatoes. Right, Blitzy. Tornadoes. Tomatoes. Man, look at this. It won't stop raining, man. That other video I did just 3 days ago or 4 days ago, it is, man. The subscribers are always right. I'm gonna have to do the world's first Puddles on the air. You drive to a POTA entity location in the pouring rain. Come on, zoom in, zoom in. The only rule is you gotta put your antenna up in the pouring rain. Puddles on the air. Listen, this weather's crazy out here. I bet you don't go out now. Whoa. No. Oh my God, nope. He's like, no way, Jose. Dang, man. We have had more rain. We have had some rain. Dang, man. What's going on, you little weirdo? Yeah, taking a bath. Yeah, I need one too, man, but I'm retired. I don't do that anymore. 73.